Hello everyone, how are you? Hope everyone is well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to import website data in Microsoft Excel. Example, you want UK all city names like this website, this table in Microsoft Excel. How can do it? It is very easy method. First of all, open your Microsoft Excel, then go to data menu and click on get and transform data. These groups form web this tool. When click on form web this tool, you can see a dialog box form web and you can see here URL. Here you paste this website URL. That is our website URL. Click here and select URL. Then Ctrl C for copy. Then again go to on Microsoft Excel. Then paste here this URL. Then click OK. Within few seconds, you can see a navigator dialog box and here import this website all data. Now you click the table and you can see your right hand side here the data table. I want table on, select table on and click transform data. When you click transform data, you can see here it's import Power Query editor, these options. Don't worry, here you can see the header is not will be changed. How can do it for change? First of all, delete this column on image, select column on and mouse right button, click and remove. Then you select this row number 1 and go to home menu and remove rows, remove top rows, click and you can see a dialog box. You type here on and click OK. Now you can see the remove number 1 and again go from menu and transform group, use first row for header. When you click use first row as header, you can see header variety. Then go to home menu and this close group, click close and load and click close and load to these options. You can see import data this dialog box. If you want for this data purpose, create a pivot chart, create pivot table report, you can select here and click OK. But I cannot do it. I want only table. Select table and existing worksheet. Select your range. I select F1 and then hit OK button. Within 3 minutes, you can see our website data, full data import in Microsoft Excel. Now you analyze this data and when you click table design, here you can see tools and convert to range. Then click OK. You can see it's fully convert in Microsoft Excel. Okay, dear viewers, it's very easy method. I think you can do it very easily. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.